Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to next Femite video tutorial. Now for this episode, guys, this HP laptop, I'm gonna actually show you how to get into what is called the boot menu or the startup menu. So presently, I'm actually in the startup menu, where it definitely give you the different options in terms of you accessing the BIOS. You'd have to press an F8. Changing the boot menu, that would be F9. So this is the startup menu. So in order for you to reach this menu, so let's restart the laptop. Once the laptop is being restarted, just continue pressing down on this key that is known as the escape key, and that is how it will take you to this menu that is known as the startup menu. So again, guys, once you powered up the laptop, just continuously pressing down on the escape key, and it will take you to this startup menu for this HP laptop. Definitely in the description section of the video, or I will be giving you the exact model number. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on that subscription button. Definitely leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Famitech is out of here.